Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups, and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you clicking on this video, and I can promise you, you're going to learn a lot from today's video. So this is one of my favorite recipes. This hair moisturizer is the bomb. If you haven't tried anything, please do try this one because this hair moisturizer can help you grow your hair. It will moisturize your hair for a very long time and also prevent hair breakages. So to start with, I will need about 2 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves are very powerful when it comes to hair growth. A lot of you have already used clove and can testify to the fact that this natural ingredient can prevent hair breakages and promote hair growth. But if clove haven't worked for you, it means probably you're not using it the right way. So you can follow this recipe and use it this way to see how well it would work with your hair. Alright, so as you can see, I use whole cloves for this recipe, so I had to crush them into little pieces. If you have powdered cloves, feel free to use it, but I prefer using the whole clove because I like the smell that comes out of the whole cloves. So once everything is grinded like so, I'm just going to put it in a bowl and I'll move on to the next step. But hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so I added my carrier oil. Today I chose to use organic olive oil. I added about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but feel free to add any carrier oil of your choice. It could be sunflower oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, just to mention a few. So it is time to add my Vaseline. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Vaseline to this recipe. Most of you are sleeping on Vaseline, and I know a lot of you have also used Vaseline and can testify to how great it is for the hair. So Vaseline can help keep your hair moisturized for a long time. And in order for you to prevent hair breakages, you always have to make sure your hair is super moisturized because dry hair leads to hair breakages. I also added about a tablespoon of my shea butter. Shea butter is another great moisturizer. So putting shea butter and Vaseline together has been a game changer for my hair. After putting everything together, I am just going to put this in the hot boiling water and allow it to melt as well as infuse with the clove. I'll give it a stir every now and then to speed up the process. And if you haven't done so already, guys, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So once everything is all melted together, you are also going to wait till the oil is really warm to touch. It means the clove have infused with the oils, the Vaseline, as well as the shea butter. After that, you are going to put it aside. Don't wait for it to cool down completely. Otherwise, it is going to solidify. You are going to strain it with any material with tiny holes. It can be cheesecloth, paper towel, or anything that you have to trap all the clove. You don't want all those little clove particles in your hair. So make sure you do a good job when it comes to the straining. Alright, you all, so this is the fun part. I know a lot of you know Duo Grow. This is a Duo Grow Mega Thick Formula Hair Oil. This oil can help promote thick, stronger hair. It will prevent hair breakages. It has shea butter, vitamin E, and other ingredients in there that are great for hair growth. You can find this from any beauty supply stores, and it smells amazing. I added about half a tablespoon to this recipe. Then after that, I give it a good stir. Also, I love to add essential oils to my DIY recipe. Today, I chose to add peppermint essential oil as well as rosemary essential oil. You do not have to use the same essential oils I'm using, or you don't even have to use two of them. Feel free to add any essential oil of your choice. Adding essential oil to DIY recipes improves the smell of the recipe as well as adding to the benefits of any DIY recipes. So once you've put everything together, give it a good stir, and this is how it's looking. Look at how beautiful this is looking. Oh my goodness, I love this recipe and it smells amazing. Use this as your hair moisturizer whenever you wash your hair and also on a regular basis. This will moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for a long time to prevent hair breakages, strengthen your hair strands, and also promote healthy hair growth. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you in my next one.